These crispy Parmesan shrimp bites are crunchy, cheesy, and seriously addicting, and they come together in minutes. Serve them with a side of pasta, and you have a weeknight dinner worth repeating. So let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix the shrimp with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and Panko breadcrumbs. Lay out the shrimp in a single layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden, crispy, and cooked through. Meanwhile, in a pan over medium heat, melt the butter, add the minced garlic, and cook for about 1 minute. Then stir in the lemon juice and parsley. Toss the crispy shrimp in the garlic butter sauce and serve immediately. Garnish with a squeeze of lemon juice, extra Parmesan, and fresh parsley. These crispy, cheesy shrimp bites are packed with flavor and perfect next to a bowl of pasta. If you give it a try, I'd love to hear how it turned out, and drop your favorite pasta pairing in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.